Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 20, check your notification panel. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on all applications. Now click on the web application Yammer. Now let's just wait for that to load. And the purpose of this tutorial is to locate and navigate towards the notifications panel. If you're unsure where that is, do not worry. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate to you how we locate that notifications panel. So if we go to the right top corner of the web browser, we have a bell icon. If we click on this, now it gives us a pane swiped from the right to the left with all the notifications. If I were to click on the second one or the first one received, it takes me straight to the message in all community company. If I was to go on the second one, and there we go, these are two notifications that I've received. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.